So I'm back. What's up, YouTube? It's 2019. Zanrith is back making videos, and it's going to be a great year. Got a lot of questions of where you been, what are you doing, how's the bike, yada yada. Let's try to clarify some of those. So first off, where I've been right here. It's been a couple months since I posted a video, mostly due to holidays coming up and the terrible weather. You know, got to catch up on life at some time. But I think we're ready to get back at it. And by ready, I mean let's make some more videos. Probably going to do the same thing next year. Take 2 weeks, 2 months, somewhere in that range off. Hang with family, do that. So as for right now, the weather's garbage. It's Buffalo. Can't do anything about it. Salt's on the road. It's freezing out. Everything's terrible. So until spring, I'm going to have no brand new footage. But I do have some old footage. We'll get that working. So this year coming up is going to be big. What we're going to do is we're going to start off with some videos that recap what we worked on last year, riding with some friends. But this year, I got 2 of these GoPro Session Hero 4s. We're going to use these for some new footage. It's going to be a good time. Might get a drone, might get my Part 107, might fly commercially. We don't know yet. It's in the plans. Gonna see if I can make it happen. Get even some more cool shots. Also got some new gear. Got over the winter. New tools. Gonna talk about that and review that at a later date. Got some bike work to do. The Hyosung, as you saw it last year and I worked on, it's that close. It's almost ready. Need a few more things. We'll get it inspected. We'll get it on the road. It'll be good to go. We'll get to play with that. That's gonna be a great starter bike for a few of my friends that want to learn how to ride this year. We got an XS 650. It's a 1982. Used to run like a champ. Needs some love. I got to get it back here from Syracuse at my parents' house, and we got to work on that some. So we'll make some videos and work on that. And then the ZX6R. It's going to be modded out pretty well. We got some ideas for what we want to do this year. You know, everything's dependent on how much money we can save and if I can stop buying more bikes. This year's also going to be big for us. We're going to do a track day, and whether that's just me going to the track by myself with either the 300 or the ZX6R, I don't know yet. I want to go. I want to check it out. For that, I will obviously need new gear. So we'll do a review on everything I've got. We've got a couple trips planned. One fairly large, could be a week-long trip, which will take me a while to edit, but we'll get through it. And the last thing we're going to do is I'm going to do a couple meetups. Probably going to be pretty small, but I know a few of you guys out there are from the area, and you've talked about meeting up and riding together. So we're going to do that this year, whether it's going to be a small ride, or a country ride, or we're going to do even a longer ride. We'll figure that out as the time comes. Now, all this information is going to be posted. I'll make sure to get it up on YouTube. We can get it up on Facebook and Instagram as well. And as always, if you're looking for Instagram and Facebook, check down below. The links are always down there. Take some good photos. Trying to work on some stuff. Well, guys, that's going to be my short video. It's going to be my start of 2019. Hope everyone out there rides safe. Hope to see you along for the ride. And hope to meet somebody this year. Peace out, guys.